A security category is easiest to understand by following one risky moment. OT security, protecting the machines that run factories, is the system around that moment. The moment starts as normal work, a message, file, asset, vendor alert, or access request. The risk is hidden OT security, protecting the machines that run factories' risk. If nobody checks it, the organization learns after the issue has spread. OT security, protecting the machines that run factories, puts a control point in that path, so the risky part becomes visible early. Visibility needs signals, events, owners, exposure, context. These facts give the system something concrete to judge. Signals alone are noise. Policy says what safe looks like, expected safe state. The output is a decision: continue, stop, escalate, or ask a person to review. Now follow one item through the system and watch uncertainty become evidence. Step 1. Normal work begins. Security works best when it sits in the path of real work. The work item reaches OT security, protecting the machines that run factories. The control is designed for this class of risk. The control loads inventory context, asset, owner, exposure, and expected purpose. Next, it reads live signals, events, owners, exposure, context. These facts describe what is happening now. Then it loads policy, expected safe state. This tells the tool what good should look like. Inventory context enters the analysis engine, so the finding is tied to the right owner and asset. Live signals enter beside it. Now the engine has both background context and current behavior. Policy joins the engine too. This turns observations into a defensible decision. The engine chooses an outcome: allow, block, quarantine, create a ticket, or ask for review. If the answer is risky, the response starts: ticket, block, or escalate. Fast action keeps a small issue small. The result is logged as evidence, decision, and timestamp. That record supports audits and investigations. The security team reviews the record later with the inputs, policy, and response in one place. When the team learns from a false positive or missed case, it tunes policy for the next decision. OT security, protecting the machines that run factories, is useful because it makes this security decision repeatable instead of lucky. Context changes priority. The same signal can matter more on a critical asset than on a lab system. Policy keeps the tool aligned with business risk instead of treating every signal the same. The response should match the risk: observe, ticket, block, quarantine, or escalate. The audit trail closes the loop by proving what happened and why. OT security, protecting the machines that run factories, is the loop. Work enters, context and signals are collected, policy is applied, a response is chosen, and evidence is saved. Thanks for watching. Security categories are easier to remember when you follow the flow: what entered, what was checked, what decision happened, and what evidence was saved. Check out our other videos and follow how it all runs for more. See you in the next one.